Welcome students. Let's learn chapter number 5, heat. Heat means energy. We know that heat is a form of energy. And temperature is the indicator of heat. Means by using temperature or by measuring temperature, we can measure the hotness of the object. Okay. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn different concepts like latent heat, resolution, anomalous behavior of water, dew point and humidity, and specific heat capacity. Now there are different types, different ways of heat transfer, and we have already learnt about it. That ways are conduction of heat, convection of heat, and radiation of heat. Now let's learn latent heat. First we will learn the activity related to latent heat. As per the given figure, you can observe that ice is heated in the given figure. When we give heat to the ice, then ice will start melting. And we can measure the temperature with the help of thermometer as shown in the figure. The heat absorbed by ice is used to melt ice into water at first or for some time, and then when all the ice will melt, then the heat will be used to increase the temperature of water. Okay, this we will see in the form of graph. Now observe the temperature versus time graph. You will observe line AB, line BC, and line CD. We will see it one by one. We are giving heat to ice. That time temperature of the ice will be 0 degree Celsius. And as we go on giving heat to the ice will melt into water, but temperature will remain constant up to all ice melts into water. So the line AB represents conversion of ice into water, that is conversion of solid into liquid, and temperature remains constant. When all the ice will melt into water and we are giving heat, now the temperature will go on increasing from 0 degree to 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, like this it will increase up to 100 degree Celsius, and it is shown in the figure by BC. In this case, from 0 degree to 100 degree Celsius, water is in liquid state. Now at point C, water will start boiling, and again temperature will remain constant from point C to point D. Temperature will remain 100 degree Celsius. It will remain constant because now water in the form of liquid starts converting into steam or water vapor. Now we will see some definitions related to this concept. First we will see the definition of melting point of ice. Now the constant temperature at which the ice converts into water is called melting point of ice. Now the next definition is latent heat. The heat energy absorbed at constant temperature during transformation of solid into liquid is called latent heat of fusion. Means when solid substance converts into liquid substance, that time heat is absorbed by the substance but temperature do not increase because that heat is used in the transformation of state. During transformation of state, the heat energy is used to break down the bonds between atoms or molecules of solid. So temperature do not increase, and this heat is called as a latent heat of fusion. We will see the definition again. The heat energy absorbed at constant temperature during transformation of solid into liquid is called latent heat of fusion. These two definitions are related to the state AB shown in the figure. Okay. Now we will see the next definitions. That is definition of boiling point of liquid. The constant temperature at which the liquid transforms into gaseous state is called the boiling point of the liquid. Means the temperature at which liquid transform into gas is called boiling point of that liquid. Now the next definition, latent heat of vaporization. The heat energy absorbed at constant temperature during transformation of liquid into gas is called latent heat of vaporization. Means when liquid substance converts into gaseous substance. Again, at this stage, temperature do not increase. The heat energy absorbed by the liquid is used to break the bonds between the molecules of the liquid. And this heat is called as a latent heat of vaporization. Now the specific latent heat of fusion, the amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a solid to convert into liquid phase is called the specific latent heat of fusion. Now the next definition, specific latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a liquid to convert into gaseous phase is called the specific latent heat of vaporization. In both these definitions, specific amount of energy is used and specific amount of mass is converted into another state. Okay. Thank you.